So here we are today with Sky and Mikey from Sky and Mikey Time, and we got Kyah from Kyah Tries YouTube. So what's going on, guys? What are we doing today?
Tiredness.
No, you're tired because we rode that. That thing's crazy. It weighs like 500 pounds. It's way more work than riding a bike.
We're going ziplining and swimming.
Yes, there we go. And look at, we're camping again. Oh, doggy now. All right, everybody wave. Wave. Ah!
Mommy, we have a mystery.
We're on the track of a giant.
Ooh, a giant.
Follow us. We're going to tell you what we found. Guys, we just found a footprint from a giant.
What do you think the giant looked like?
I think he looks like a giant monster.
A giant monster.
Yeah, and I think he looks like he will
Look at this foot. Oh my goodness, it is pretty big.
Yeah, and I think it has a little feet and a leg.
Really?
Yeah,
Here, let's see if the footprint is bigger than my foot. The little mud is the footprint. Let's see. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I can fit, oh my goodness, I can fit both my feet in there. That's so crazy.
That is totally a giant's footprint.
So how do we find the giant?
I don't know. I think we just gotta find some more footprints. Hi everyone. Well, welcome to Netto. So here is another footprint. Yeah, and there's the waffle because a giant. I think there's a giant on the roof. This is a mystery.
Mystery. I think that's another footprint. Maybe a baby giant?
Yeah. Maybe there's a mama giant and a baby giant. Yeah,
Maybe.
and that is giant and a kid giant. The flowers are missing. This is a huge mystery.
Oh goodness, it is a big mystery.
I think a giant laid down over here.
Oh yeah, here, watch out. Look, it goes all the way over here.
I think the giant
Starts over here, watch out. It goes all the way back to here, and that's look, I think that's another little spot. Maybe a baby giant.
yeah, maybe a baby giant laid down. Look, it's from the giant.
Footprint.
Kyah, look over here.
Oh. I think it might be a really small footprint.
Goes far away. Do you think that a giant actually came here at nighttime? Wait, what are these leaves? Look. Look at that.
Yeah, that is another big one.
I think a giant makes a fire. Yeah. I think we just gotta see it. So Kyah, what do you think if we're gonna really find it?
I think if we're gonna really find the giant, we might need a really fast vehicle.
Like this?
That's not too fast, but maybe. Come on, Mikey. Another one.
There was no room, so this is not a fresh footprint.
It's an old footprint.
Yeah.
You can tell because it's all
Because
grown
it's
up.
a big
I think I found a few footprints. Look, I'm gonna follow them. Look, ready? Watch out. Everyone get behind me
Why?
so I can show you the footprints. Boom, 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 boom. And then a really big one. And it's a fresh one. Boom, boom.
Look.
Another footprint. Oh, look, there's a bunch of footprints.
Here. Oh.
This one looks really new. Look, it's all wet.
Come over here.
Come on, Mikey.
I think the baby footprint.
Baby footprint.
I think this giant goes far away here.
I don't think we're going to be going into the forest.
Tree broke because of the giant, see?
Look, guys, tree broke because of the giant.
Oh my God. Daddy, we have a giant mystery.
What's the giant mystery?
So do you see these? Do you see this big hole?
Yeah.
I think it was a giant footprint. Yes. And look at that. Sounds like a giant. Look at that. This is a baby dinosaur.
Look at this beautiful spot. And all the giants that were here, we're gonna find them.